Next, we're going to look at several guards. We're going to look at the ready position, which has 4 variations: high, middle, low, and side. And then we'll also look at the shoulder guard position and the double position, okay? So our first one is the ready guard, ready position. We're just holding normally out in front, okay? And first is high. So we're just keeping arms relatively high, okay? We're leaving the body open so that the opponent will want to attack. We can move on to our low block. From here, I can drop down and low. Here, I'm prepared to swing across the face. But very simply, I'm just taking a high position, okay? Next is my mid position. This is great because I can very easily access my high block, my low block, my side block as I go, okay? Striking from here is a little bit more difficult. It'll feel a little scary, similar to striking from the armpit because of how close this stick is, but you can very easily get a forward shot in there, or a good horizontal from the mid position, okay? Next is our low position. Very simple. I'm just holding low, very easily access my low block, very easily access a low swing to the leg, okay? And then if need be, I can always transition out of that, okay? So low, middle, high. Next is our side variation. So here, instead of, I'm holding at the mid-range, but I'm holding it here at my side, okay? And what this does is this allows me to have greater potential in my backhand swing, whether it's downwards, horizontal. I'm actually keeping tension in this position, okay, here. And this helps hide the range that you can access, okay? So, my side position. Next is the shoulder position, okay? So, it's here, okay? Over the shoulder and catch. Okay? I want to make sure my elbow is pointed out slightly, but it can also be in a little bit more if I plan on covering. If I needed to cover, then I'd pull the elbow in. But typically, the elbow points outwards at about a 45-degree angle, okay? Pointing outwards at a 45-degree angle. From here, I can very easily access my downward strike and my upward strike, okay? And this is also a position where the opponent would have a hard time determining which way I can go, right? And I look like I am curled up, I'm curled in, and like it's going to be hard for me to access my techniques, but I very easily release and strike. Release and strike, okay? I also have the cross block from this position where I can extend and protect. I can cover with my arm. I can utilize my elbows if need be a little bit, okay? So that's the shoulder position. And then our last position is the double position, okay? So very simply, I'm just holding both of the sticks together. And this can be used to hit our blocks, to extend as a keep away. Very simple. I'm just holding both sticks in one hand. Nothing too complicated. And then right from here, I can let go of one and swing, okay? The backhand is going to be easier to release on than the forehand because you're already swinging. The nunchaku has to go out and then follow. Or here, the nunchaku immediately gets to follow my hand. Whereas I'm here, I actually flick it out so that it goes out and then I swing across. Okay? So from here, boom. But I also have all my double techniques as well, such as the low block, the high block, the thrust, and so on. So those are our primary guards, right? The ready position, which can be high, middle, low, or more at my side. The shoulder position, which allows me good access to high and low. And then my double position. Okay? So work on those, and we'll take a look on the next one at how those techniques